Hi friends, now I am here to explain the OpenCV Comprehensive Computer Vision Library. OpenCV or a open source computer vision library is a developed powerful tool for developing looking to implement a computer vision solution. It offers a wide range of functionality for a image and video analysis. Image processing capability. Image enhancement. OpenCV provide a function or, uh, for a sharpening images and adjusting the contents and recording the noise. Geometric transformation. Image can be rotate, realized, translate, and we can modulate using a OpenCV generate transform function. Color space conversation. OpenCV support for conversation between a different color to audit some special graphics to the image. Object detection and recognition. Deep learning models. OpenCV support to integrate with a popular deep learning framework for advanced object detection and recognition. HOG description. HOD description are the features that represent the graduate oriented in an image and enables the robot object detection. Face recognition. Face detection. OpenCV used to cascade array deep learning model to identify a face with an image. Facial feature extraction. OpenCV can locate an external face landmarks such as eyes, nose and mouth. Face recognition. OpenCV uses various techniques such as deep learning to compare the face features and identify the individuals. Motion tracking. Background subtracking. OpenCV can isolate the moving object by suitable at the state background image for a current framework. Optical flow. OpenCV use a optical flow algorithm to track the movement of a pixels between the co- consecutive frames. OpenCV utilizes the Kalma fertilizer to predict the future position of a tracking the object. 3D recognition. Structure from monitor. SFT technique used as a service of a image to recognize the 3D geometric of a scheme. Multiple view stream. MVS algorithm combines the multiple images to create a demo of a 3D point good for a scan. Video analysis. Object tracking. Tracking a object over a time and enable the application like surveillance and self-driving cars. Motion detection. Identifying a changes in a motion within a video frame useful for a security system and activity movements. Activity recognition. Analyze a video or content to understand the classification of human activity and enable the application in supporting a analysis. Machine learning integration. Neural networks. OpenCV allows to integrate with a popular deep learning framework. Support a vector mechanism mechanics. SVMs are a powerful mechanics learning model used for a image classification and object detection tracking. Performance and optimization. Optimization strategies. OpenCV offers various optimization techniques such as parallel processing and GPU acceleration to improve the application performance. Affection of a code practice. Real world application. Self drive car. OpenCV enables a self-drive car to their surrounding. OpenCV assists the medical imaging analysis, allows for the automatic diagnosis and surgeries. Security system. Powers a security system, enables the face recognition and monitoring the object tracking and enables the surveillance. Robotic. OpenCV provides a visual capability to robots and allow the recognition of some objects, particles and something. Thank you.